This Coldwell Banker Wallace property video is presented by Sahel Naimi. Choose your interior. This 1.5-story home is under construction, Timber Grove floor plan with master bedroom with her and her closet and second bedroom with full bath on the main level. Third bedroom and one full bath upstairs with optional, unfinished, bonus room. Great room with vaulted ceiling and fireplace open to dining area and kitchen with granite countertops. Covered porch off of breakfast room. Utility room / mud room from garage opens to kitchen. Engineered hardwoods in the living area downstairs, carpet in bedrooms, granite and tile in all baths. Lawn maintenance is included in HOA fees along with clubhouse and pool. Annualized HOA fee is billed in January and payable by March 31st. Buyer to verify square footage. For more